Hello everyone, my name is Ananya. I'm studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, first year CSBS. My topic is smart shopping trolley that follows the customer. Smart human following shopping trolleys are designed to follow customers automatically, eliminating the need for them to push the cart manually. This technology offers convenience and ease for shoppers, allowing them to focus on their shopping and enjoying their experience. One of the primary advantages is that they provide a more personalized shopping experience. Shoppers can easily navigate through the store without the need to push their trolley or worry about losing it. It is another advantage of it is that it helps the disabled people or pregnant women to push the cart because those are pushing the cart for them is challenging. In conclusion, smart human following shopping trolleys are the promising solution for shopping malls looking to provide a more personalized and efficient shopping experience for their customers. With this technology, shoppers can enjoy a hassle-free shopping experience. The trolley robot makes use of IR sensors, ultrasonic sensor, motor drivers, and DC motor. All are interfaced with the Atmega 328 microcontroller in order to make this system work. The robot body is integrated with mesh-based trolley to form a steel basket. This robot-mounted basket allows the robot to carry products similar to a shopping trolley. The robot is integrated with 4 into DC motors with wheels, which allows for the easy 4WD movement of the robotic vehicle. The Atmega controller uses motor drivers to drive the 4 motors. The robotic vehicle has two IR sensors mounted at the bottom to achieve line follower mechanism. Thank you.